Welcome back. If there's one thing that New Mexicans know all too well about, it's the wind during the springtime. Now, we get some real gale force winds around here in the Land of Enchantment that can do more damage than you think. I spoke with Lee Martin, the Public Information Officer for the Bernalillo County Fire Rescue, to find out more about the dangers that could arise when those winds start howling. Lee Martin is joining us this morning. He is a Public Information Officer with Bernalillo County Fire Rescue. Lee, it is great to have you with us.
Thank you very much for having me this morning.
Definitely. So we know that the spring winds are going to be popping up here. They already are in Bernalillo County. There are some restrictions and some warnings that you have to pass along to folks living here in the county. What are some of those?
Absolutely. So we are going into the spring, and that is our windy season. So we just really want to reiterate the message that we have every year at this time of year is that there's going to be more extreme fire behaviors outdoors. And given the fact that we had a pretty dry winter, that fire danger is continuing to remain high.
Well, and so, I mean, and this is not even just for, making sure that you don't burn weeds or do anything on regular windy days, but some other things that everybody needs to be mindful of as far as now that we're entering the windy season.
Absolutely. So people are going to be seeing more red flag warnings. That's going to be the biggest indicator of when Bernalillo County has made the decision that no open burning will be allowed during those timeframes. And the reason that decision is made is based on the weather and the potential for that, again, extreme fire behavior. Also, this is going to be more fire pit season. People are going to be going outside more and more to enjoy the improving weather, the warming weather. And we just want them to be aware that all fire pits need to be prepared. There needs to be a water source available in the case of an emergency, and just to not be burning outside, even in a fire pit during a red flag warning.
Yeah. And in the unfortunate event, should a fire pop up, how bad do the winds make it for Bernalillo County Fire Rescue to how does it hamper the efforts?
So what you see when there's high winds or even gusty winds is fires spreading faster, whether those are in open fields or in tree lines. Um, it pushes the fire further and faster, and it can also have it burn hotter. So heavier fuels will start to burn more quickly, and that makes our efforts harder to contain a fire. And that's just as applicable as if someone's house is on fire too. Once the structure is compromised and there's high winds blowing into that structure, we're going to have a hotter environment on the inside as well.
And for our friends who live along the Bosque and in those areas, rather, that are a little bit more prone to the open fire areas, what are some of the precautions that they can take for, say, as regards to vegetation or anything that are surrounding their homes?
Well, what I always try to remind homeowners and property owners is that it's important to keep as much dead vegetation cleared from your property. So wood piles and things of that nature that you will be storing, it's best to store those well away from any structures. Okay, and then clearing the surrounding area, especially right up next to your home, of any dead vegetation, really helps with fire spread, keeping it to the minimum.
There you go. So, Lee, right now, for anybody watching at home and they say they want to learn more information about some of the efforts to make sure that they're not the cause of those fires, where can they find that?
Absolutely. So they can go to Bernalillo County's website. You could Google Bernalillo County's burn line. It will have the number for the burn line. It also has our printed brochure on there that delineates the summer burning hours and the winter burning hours. And then you can call that burn line at any time, and you're going to have the most up-to-date information. If you do choose to do some outside burning, I would always check the weather first and then call that burn line to make sure there isn't a red flag warning in effect.
All right. Lee Martin with Bernalillo County Fire Rescue, thank you so much for joining us this morning and with the great advice. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much for having me. Have a great day.
You too.